Hello everyone. Today I am going to solve this problem named even positions from the Codeforces round 168.42. So in this problem we have given a string which is in which odd odd places are even positions are correctly given, but odd places are blank. So and we have to fill in the blank spaces. So what thing we have to consider that the our string should be but every our string should be balanced, means every bracket in the string should have a closing bracket. Means for example, taking this example, this closing bracket, this pair is closing bracket, and they form also pair. But if we take a case of this take of this string, so in which it they have a closing pair, but this does not have a closing pair. Similarly in this they are a closing pair, but but the string is not balanced. So and by balancing the string, we have to make a string such that the cost of the string is minimum. So let me tell you what is the cost of the string. As per the given problem, the cost of the string is the sum of differences between the opening and closing pair. By taking, I am going helping you by taking example. So for basically they are forming a pair. So the index of this is 1 and index of this is 2. So the cost and this is 3, this is 4, this is 5. So the total cost, what will be total cost? So difference between them is 1, 2. So the cost of this pair is 1, 1 plus the difference between index is 3, so 1 plus 3, and there also is 1. So 1 plus 3 plus 1 equal to 5. Taken another example for same example. Uh, Let me take this example. So in this example, we can see that here the difference between indexes is 1, so cost will be 1. Here also 1, so 1 plus 1 2. Here also 1, it is 3. And for this pair it is 1 2 3 4 5. So the total cost will be 5 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1, so it will be 8. So we have to minimize our cost. To minimize our cost, what will be your approach? So in this problem, so what approach comes in my mind, that to minimize the cost, the the closing bracket of any opening bracket should be as closest as possible. Means at as close as possible, means the it should be near to the opening bracket. Means the pair should that how that because the if the pair have a huge gap between them, the difference between indexes will increase, and it will increase the stock. So for the best case, means minimum cost, we have to place every possible closing bracket nearby to every opening bracket. But the thing we have to kept in our mind is that stick should be balanced. Means for every opening bracket there should be a closing bracket. So starting from here, what the approach we will going to follow. So firstly we will we will make a variable name super for to count the number of opening bracket which are occurred till here, till the left part of the string minus 2 minus the count of, which will means the open variable will store the number of difference between number of opening bracket to the closing bracket to the left part of any index. Means for example, if there is a this string, so here the difference between to the left and right is 1, because one opening bracket here is 2, because two opening bracket and no closing bracket, but here it is also be 1. So that's the thing. So what and if means if there are if the number of opening bracket in the left of any index is greater than number of closing bracket, then it means we can place a closing bracket here now in the gap. So if it is a gap, it is a gap, and number of opening bracket in the left is greater than the closing bracket, then we will place a closing bracket here. So and move to the now I'm going to put up this problem. I'm writing this to a given input format. So now we will always know that for int I is equal to 0, int open. This will store the difference between the brackets respectively. For int I is equal to 0, rs is the bracket I plus plus, and if si is equal to opening bracket, then we will do open plus plus else if si is and if si is equal to blank, that conditionally if si is equal to blank, then what we will do, if open is greater than 0, then what we will do, si should be replaced by closing bracket, and open should be minus minus, and we will do else si should be replaced by closing bracket and open plus, and here we need to see out the string. Let me hope it will run. So actually I was getting error due to this. I placed this correctly, so basically not a big deal. So, but in this problem, we are not we don't need to print the area, but we have to return the minimum cost. So to calculate the cost, what we will do, we will make we will a stack, and for any stack, if any opening bracket come, we will put the opening in the index of the opening bracket into stack, and for every closing index, we will pop our top bracket and add the difference between them to our final answer. Basically, I'm trying to code that int st for equal to 0 I then second I plus plus, and if st dot push I else answer equal to I minus st dot top and st dot pop, and here we will print our answer, and int answer equal to 0. Here we will print our answer cout. So basically this is our code.